Sales Manager and Leadership Workshop from the Academy, absolutely coming up in February. Here at the Academy, we are well known for our Yes F&I School and our Yes Customer Engagement Sales process. And in February, you have an opportunity to join us here in Austin for our Effective Sales Management and Leadership Workshop. This is not 2 days of motivation and stories about the good old days. This is cutting edge information based off of today's internet educated customer and the millennial type salesperson that we're working with today of how to be a leader and not just a boss. How to put together effective sales meetings in a monthly and daily schedule that everybody can follow. We're about to get into that time of year where we're going to start hiring new people. We talk about recruiting and hiring strategies, and we give you effective questions, interview questions to ask salespeople that continuously produce good performance salespeople once properly trained. How to do effective performance reviews on an ongoing regular basis. Compliance awareness, something every business manager and every sales manager and the internet manager and the up-and-coming sales manager, assistant sales manager needs to know about. Effective deal management, presentation of figures. Sure, we'll talk about some negotiating techniques that you can put back into the dealership once you come back. And one of the biggest pieces, and business managers bring this to your sales managers and your GSMs and your internet managers and your future managers, are things like deal structure and finance company trends and how to read credit. We talk about that in the Effective Sales Manager and Leadership Workshop here at the Academy. Go to theacademylive.com, hit upcoming courses, and you can see the complete assortment and catalog of courses available here at the Academy. We have Sales Manager and Leadership February 13th and 14th, and another one on the 20th and the 21st. Go sign up. We look forward to seeing you here in Austin at the Academy.